In this video, we're going to go over how to add a screencast to the Show Me section of an FAQ. Before getting started, you must have publishing access to the UMBC FAQTube channel. If you've not been given access, please submit an RT request to the Technology Support Center. To begin, log into YouTube using your UMBC username and password. Once you're logged in, make sure your channel is set to the UMBC FAQTube. To upload a video, you'll select the Create a Movie icon and then select Upload Video. Select your screencast file or drag and drop the file to your upload screen. As your file processes, enter a title and description. Don't forget to include the tiny URL for your FAQ article in the description of the video. Scroll down to review the other options before clicking Next. Click Publish once you're finished. Now that the screencast is uploaded to YouTube, we can add it to our FAQ article. To do that, we're going to insert an image that links back to the YouTube video. First, you'll want to copy the video ID from the video's URL on YouTube. If you're using our FAQ template, we've included template text to help you quickly generate the thumbnail and video links. You'll just need to replace the Insert Video ID placeholders included in the template with the copied video ID. If the template links have been removed from the FAQ you're adding a screencast to, we've included a copy of them in the FAQ article associated with this video. Once we've replaced the placeholders with our screencast's unique video ID, we'll use these links to add the image and link to the video to our FAQ article. To begin adding the image, first copy the thumbnail URL we compiled. Click the Insert Image icon in the editing window. You'll want to use the From Web option. This is where you'll paste the thumbnail URL we copied a few steps earlier. Click Insert to complete inserting the image. You should now have an image of the screencast included in your FAQ. To link the thumbnail image to YouTube, you'll now copy the video link URL we created earlier. Click the image you just added and select Link. Paste the video link URL you copied and click Insert. Now that we have a thumbnail image of our screencast linking to YouTube included in the article, you can remove the template text we used to make the URLs from the article. Lastly, don't forget to click Save to save your changes that you've made.